You searched how to buy shares of EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp. This video shows the practical steps to find EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp on NASDAQ, ticker FTW. This is an educational demonstration and not financial advice. To start, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FTW to locate EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp. Choose the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange and the company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the brief company summary and scan the price chart to confirm this is the correct EQV Ventures Acquisition Corp listing. Verify the NASDAQ ticker FTW and the company name before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes. If there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the order. Once the order is filled, the position will appear in your portfolio or holdings. For the example link to eToro is in the description below.